Umbutho iDA ubambe umngcelele eBethesdorp eGqeberha namhlanje ngelokunikezela ngexwebhu lwezikhalazo kumkomishinala wamapolisa esixeko libambele eNelson Bay uTrevor Smith. Usihlalo we-DA eMpuma Kapa uYusuf Kasim nokwakwicandelo lokhuseleko uthi buqatsele ngamandla ubundlobongela kulo masipala.
Our communities in the northern areas and indeed in Nelson Mandela Bay at large are not free. We cannot be free if the criminals are in our communities operating with impunity and our people feel unsafe to even leave their homes. Meaning we are prisoners in our homes whilst the criminals are not put in prison, they are besieging us in our communities. We are fighting this at every sphere of government. We have long argued that the situation in Nelson Mandela Bay, which is the murder capital of the country, is an abnormal situation. It requires priority intervention. We are fighting this at a national level because SAPS is a national competency. We are also fighting this at the provincial level because there is things that the provincial government can do, like invest in crime fighting technology like the Western Cape government is doing. And here today we are fighting at a local government level. So in our memorandum, there are certain proposals that have been made by our mayoral committee member for safety here in our spokesperson for safety, Jason Grobler, that he has fought for in council, but we're not in government in Nelson Mandela Bay. And we are marching here to hand over a memorandum with these proposals, and we hope that some of these proposals will be implemented. It includes, for example, getting the CCTV cameras operational and to expand it. We heard JP Smith earlier speaking about how in the city of Cape Town they have over 4,000 CCTV cameras, to get to drone technology, to get ShotSpotter back and operational. The last time that operated was under former Mayor Retief Odendaal.
Umngcelele bekukwakho ilungu likasodolophu waseKapa kwicandelo lokhuseleko uAlderman JP Smith noveze ukuba kuninzi kufuneka kwenziwe ngumasipala ukulwa le ngxaki.
Some years ago, a good start was made with creating a Metro Police, but since then things have stagnated badly. They've asked me to come and join them in this march. There are some low-hanging fruit that they can fix. There's CCTV cameras that have not been operational now for about 9 years. Then police numbers that are stagnant at 126, not moved in all these years. So there are things that a change in government here can fix in 2026.
iDA ikwafake nesibane esisebenza ngamandla elanga kwa-Ward 35. Lo mbutho uthi enye yezinto ezenza izinga lolwaphulo-mthetho linyuke kukungakhanyi kwezibane kwesi sixeko. Lo mbutho uthi sele ufake izibane kwiindawo eziliqela eNelson Bay.
Whilst we are not in government, we're not going to wait until elections to take over government and turn things around. We're going to fix what we can from our own pockets. It's what we've been doing all this time in all of our wards. You see us, we are painting road markings, we are painting schools even, we are fixing potholes, we are putting up these solar lights. They're quite pricey, but we're doing it from our own pockets because it's our communities. We live in these communities. And therefore, this is probably the 20th light that we've put up. We've put it up in Uitenhage, we've put it up across the northern areas, and we are going to we are partnering with the community, with business people. We are pooling our resources, and we said, what can we do in order to improve things in our communities until we can take over government?
Abahlali bale ward bathi ukufakelwa kwesibane sesitalato kule ndawo linyathelo elifanelekileyo.
At least now we can move around at night. Even if we go to shop, we were not going to feel unsafe anymore. We feel a bit safer because now whenever we move around, we don't have to look if there's someone hiding somewhere who's going to rob us or is going to kill us or anything. So I feel that the crime rate and the robbing and everything is going to be less now.
Umkomishinala uTrevor Smith ulwamkele uxwebhu lwezikhalazo eliquka izikhalazo sokungoneli kwamapolisa nesokuba kulungiswe ikhamera kulo masipala. Lo mkomishinala uqinisekisile ukuba bengamapolisa kwesi sixeko baza kulwa ulwaphulo-mthetho. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguzanele Bhokhwana eGqeberha.